Happy to introduce you to our next speaker, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Vaghela is Research and Development Officer in Aquagri Processing Private Limited. He has done his PhD in biological science in the specialized area of biochemistry and sustainable agriculture. He is currently heading R&D division in Aquagri. He has multidisciplinary expertise in several areas and has taken several assignments related to development of sustainable and industrial relevant agricultural technologies, devising agronomic practices, studies on soil physical-chemical, biochemical, microbiome, and degraded land reclamation, development of agrotechniques and organic farming products such as seaweed-based biostimulants for enhancing crop productivity, quality, moisture stress tolerance, and understanding the physiological and molecular basis of crop improvements in plants are his main research interests. He has more than 16 research papers published in peer-reviewed national and international journals and 2 patents in Indian International Filling. He has joined more than 5 national research projects and has been involved in transfer of technology to more than 2 clients. He has been elected as Senior Research Fellow, CSIR, in 2019 to 21 and has convened national, international conferences and workshops on seaweed and its allied areas. Today, Dr. Pradeep Kumar will share his expertise on sustainability in agriculture attained through seaweed-based biostimulants. Dr. Pradeep Kumar, please feel free to share your screen and begin your presentation. You are on mute. We can't hear you. Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Burku. Have it to nice introduce. I am share my screen. It's visible?
Yeah, we can see. Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Okay. So good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. First of all, thank you, Dr. Arul, to giving me such opportunity to explore myself. And today I am presenting on sustainability in agriculture attained through seaweed-based biostimulants. Before starting the main presentation, first introduce the what is the eco-agri. So eco-agri initially Marine Research Station have suggested to PepsiCo to explore the seaweed farming into the seaweed coastline in India. So after 2005, this Mars and PepsiCo with CSM CRI to commercially cultivation the seaweed and develop the coastline in Tamil Nadu. After 2008, this EcoAgri incorporate taking over this business from the PepsiCo and starting drive export to the Mars. Then further 2010, EcoAgri have made a plan to produce the kerosene as well as biostimulants. Then 2017, EcoAgri since in joint venture with IFCO to explore the marketing. In the 2020 to 2020 expansion, 5 times more production to invest the company and explore the economic opportunity. Further in 2023, EcoAgri entering into the other bio products like a CRISPR, this bionutrition, biocontrol products, and leveraging this existing R&D as well as marketing strength. So EcoAgri, what EcoAgri do? So first in the cultivation and collection, this mainly the focusing on the Copperficus alvarezi cultivated in red seaweeds, and this pioneering cultivation seaweed indigenously in India. EcoAgri also doing the seed production using by tissue culture micropropagation techniques. EcoAgri also livelihood opportunity for coastal community Then Ecoagri also producing the spent was to natural K. This spent was formed using by sugar factory. A stream called spent was then generated the ash. This ash contain more than 20 to 30% of the potash is available. This product also marketing by IFCO as a product name is a natural K. Equagri also developing doing the e-commerce and urban gardening products. Then main product is the biostimulant hydrocolloids. This biostimulant is new with innovative technology and practices. This Equagri state-of-art manufacturing facility to make the value-added products. We also doing the zero liquid discharge and zero waste organization. We also customize the business solution across the range of diversity in industry. Ecoagri also doing the stream-based value-added product like chitin, chitosan, and glucosamine. This product useful for agri-business and pharmaceutical as well as nutraceuticals. We also, in new product innovation and startup incubator, we have a robust R&D capacity and infrastructure by DSI recognized. We have also strong new product pipeline and different sustainable products. And we have also proposed Civil Innovation Center to facilitate startup and new product development. Ecoagri also involved in the sustainable development goals. Right now, Ecoagri under working have more than 1200 plus families. Out of these 1200 families, 75% of the human female is working in Ecoagri. We also produce the 7,000 plus annual million ton carbon reduction. And then, as per the yesterday talking, Dr. Arup Ghosh, he have mentioned this the how to biostimulant work in the crops. So, as per the reports, 15 to 35% of the crop yield was increased using by seaweed-based biostimulant. So, till date, 5,000 plus crore saved by Ecoagri subsidy burden on governments. So, right now we focus on what is the seaweeds. So, nobody knows yesterday and today the seaweed is the macroscopic multicellular marine algae. It's a fast growing, high doubling rate. So, and seaweed have mainly three groups: red, brown, and green seaweeds. So basically, red seaweed is a cultivated seaweed. Like a brown and green seaweed is a naturally harvested seaweeds. And what is the uses of seaweeds? So different sector have use for the seaweeds, like a basic utilities for food, feed, growth stimulant in industrial use like nutraceutical, cosmetic, industrial chemicals, and other ecosystem like CO2 scrubber, then oxygenator, and nutrient scrubber. This is the bar graph you mentioned in the top companies and top application of seaweed startup. So most of in the higher is the working on food companies used for the seaweeds. As per the previous slide, I have mentioned some seaweed, red seaweed have cultivated seaweed. So the method of the cultivation, how to cultivate the seaweeds. So basically, Ecoagri have using this basic method like a raft method, tube net method, and a monoline method to cultivate the red seaweed like Apophycus alvarezi. So this is the photograph you mentioned. This local community and majorly woman is working for the seaweed cultivation. First is the preparing the raft, then manage the raft using by rope. Then seedling have prepared through the growing the seaweed after this driven into the sea. Then after 45 days, seaweed was cultivated. And further similar cycle was ongoing. This the seaweed has a rapidly growing in sustainable and eco-friendly products. This algal cultivation by empowering the coast communities, creating the sustainable area opportunity. We also provide the training and access into infrastructure as well as financial supports. So till date, we covering the 1,200 plus families in three districts of Tamil Nadu, India, and 200 plus families in Sri Lanka. So annually, we cultivated and collecting more than 500 million tons seaweed for sustainability. So as per the seaweed cultivation, this paragraph, this picture have shown that this is the Copperficus alvarezi red seaweed algae. In during this cultivation, no need to arable land and no need to fertilizer as well as pesticide. Other seaweed also, this is the photograph have shown this gracilated edulis, also the cultivated seaweeds. The eco-agri making these seaweeds to commercial viable valued products, including biostimulants. So, why biostimulants? So as per the 2 to 3 main hurdles right now to world facing this food production, in the global food demands, as per the UN reports, the 10 billion estimated world population till 2015. As per the population while increase, so need to food also. So as per this present invention, more than double food we need at present. Similarly, in India, Klein and McKinsey report have mentioned this the more than double food consumption by 2023. So these are the similar two hurdles. What is the hurdles for food production? One is the decreasing the soil fertility by using the chemical fertilizers, and second is the abiotic stress by plant facing during the life cycle, like a drought, salinity, temperature. The challenge is how to increase the fruit production. So without har means we go with the without harming the many terrestrial or aquatic system. So one of these sustainable food production is the doing such increasing the food production. So only as per the report, seaweed-based biostimulant one of the main used for food productions. As per the yesterday discussed, Dr. Arup sir have mentioned these slides. This this is the CSM Sierra have done the trials on multi-location, multi-crops in collaboration with 43 Center of State Agriculture University as well as ICR, KVK across the 20 state of Pan India. He have done several crops like rice, maize, green grams, soya beans, sugar canes, then black grams. So as per this right side of the pie chart, he mentioned the in the rice he have done the 38 trials in rice and he found more than 18% of crop yield. In maize 23%, green gram in 26%. So overall and above 13 to 37% of the above recommended of fertilizer increase the yield of crops. As per they also found that while we're using the seaweed-based biostimulant, to decrease the 25% of chemical fertilizer in the use of RDF. This biostimulant have benefit for million acre of area. This elevate the soil moisture, stress on crops. They also found risk mitigation against the climate change, and we also found improve the soil microflora population increase. After this technology, CSM Sierra have successfully transferred to the EcoAgri, and EcoAgri made a plant to the production of seaweed-based biostimulant. So right now, this biostimulant has incomes more than 2015 crores. And as per the Indian market, only 10% have producing by seaweed-based biostimulant, and 19% have export import from the other country. The Ecoagri this producing by the one of the product like a Sagrika is selling by through IFCO. IFCO is the Indian Fertilizer Corporation main major corporation in India. So important point is what is the seaweed, how to works. The seaweed-based biostimulant and where is the active ingredient compounds present in the seaweeds. So as per the demonstration, we have proven for the commercial use. While we seen this, the diversity among the seaweeds act as a bloom. While a chemical composition and ingredient also differ from algae to algae, side to side, land to land have differ. And we also during my PhD, we found that the range of bioactive compounds, the mechanism by which seaweed biostimulant remains unclear. And we have also found that diverse biological active substance, including growth regulators, phenolics, flavonoids, quaternary ammonium compounds, and this polysaccharides, which can independently in the combination in many of the ingredients that elicit plant response at very low concentration. We also these active ingredients present in the biostimulant have physiologically relevant concentrations. So as per the many researchers have done this experiment, and we found that compounds like ammonium, quaternarium compounds like glycine, betaine, chlorine chloride, plant growth regulators, seaweed polysaccharide. He also found that the effect of elevate the stress, increase the grain yield, increase the growth, increase the crop productivity. Apart from these above mentioned compounds, this patent seaweed also contains several other metabolites or other active ingredients, which are also known to be bioactive. So we have characterized this study and using by whole seaweed. Many of the researchers have done only whole seaweed, but we have seen very less information, and we done this constitute on seaweed extracts, which used for the biostimulants. By this study, we have using by several sophisticated analytical instruments like GCMS, SRMS, HPLC, and MSMS techniques. We have also done the phytochemical compounds present in seaweed-based biostimulants, in red seaweed and brown seaweeds, like flavonoids, phenolics, steroids, saponins, alkaloids. This phytochemical also involving to increase the plant growth, like alkaloid is important for the storage reservoir for nitrogen, protect against the plant predators or growth regulators. Phenolics have antioxidant activity. Flavonoids have responsible for the abiotic and biotic stress, providing antioxidant property. Steroid have bioprocessing of secondary natural products. Quinone have basic metabolic process respiration for and photosynthesis have been established. In the we have also done the chemical composition in red seaweed extracts. These are the numbers of chemical constituents present in red seaweed like plant growth regulators, quaternary ammonium compounds, macronutrients, hormones, then vitamins, oligosaccharides. This is the we have also comparative analysis using by one of the tropical seaweed is Cuppaphycus alvarezi, one is the cold seaweed like Escophyllum. So we found that the amino acid profiling have better in Cuppaphycus alvarezi biostimulant as compared to cold seaweed species. We have also done the polyphenol composition in seaweeds. In red seaweeds, we found 9 polyphenol compounds, while in brown seaweeds have 11 polyphenol compounds. So, as per the seaweed species to species tend to vary the bioactive compounds. This polyphenol also involving for the stress relevant growth enhancers. We have also done the metabolomics analysis using by GCMS. So we found that in red seaweeds, the seven class of compounds like sugar, sugar alcohols, amino acids, lipids, organic acid, amine derivatives, and nitrogen compounds, class of compounds we found. And we also quantify these compounds concentrations. In brown seaweeds, in brown seaweed have 12 class of compounds we found like sugar, sugar alcohols, and ortho conjugate acid, sulfur molecule, nitrogen-based compounds. In the red seaweeds, the major class of compound is the organic acid, while in brown seaweeds, this major class of compounds we found only sugar class of compounds. We also done the unknown metabolomic identification using by sophisticated analysis, analytical instrument like a quadrupole of time of flight, high resolution mass spectrometry. As per the result, we found that in red seaweeds, we found a total 69 bioactive compounds present in red seaweed and 18 compounds in brown seaweeds. As per my previous slide, we have mentioned the physiologically relevant concentration. So we have searching the numbers of articles, reported study. We have checked this exogenous applied synthetic compound to be bioactive in reported plant study, and we found the physiological concentration in our seaweed-based biostimulant by red and brown seaweeds. Like some example, like a gallic acid. So in applied concentration in our biostimulants in 10 micromolar, while reported study have found that the 7 to 11 micromolar we also could get to good results. One of the experiment we have done using this seaweed, red and brown seaweed based biostimulant to applied on maize is the different design and layout. We have taken different ratio of the red and brown seaweeds and we applied different growth stage in maize like V5, V10 and V15. We have applied 0.35 and 2 and 0.7% of the foliar applications. So as per the after we found that in yield the red and brown seaweed in the ratio between 14 to 16 is the better seed yield as compared to control. Similarly, in brown seaweed is 100%, we found a better result. While we increase the concentration of brown seaweed, we get lower total seed weight we found. After this yield parameter, we further check the scientific basis how to it possible. So we have checked the diversity of concentration using endogenous metabolites in maize after being treated with seaweed-based biostimulants. So as per this graph, this by chart, by graph, he mentioned this the sucrose concentration is higher in 0.7% as compared to 0.3 as well as control. So this sucrose was maybe possibility to low level of sucrose develop higher photosynthetic activity and increase the plant growth. We also check the antioxidant enzymes, this maize leaf. We also similar found in higher concentration of this only sargassum, we, reactive oxygen species was found higher. After we have in-depth the mode of action, we check using this maize leaf to effect on thylakoid membrane simulation based on fatty acid composition. We found that no any difference in the thylakoid membrane by using the seaweed applied seaweed-based biostimulants. Similar study was done on tomato, but in drought conditions. In drought conditions, we found that the 10% of the 60-40 of the red and brown seaweed have got good results. While in normal irrigation condition, as it is red seaweed, in 10% have good results. How it's possible? Means in antioxidant mechanism, how to tolerate the drought. In applied the biostimulant, seed-based biostimulant to the plant, the increase the proline concentration, while decrease the MDAR, this SOD, and other enzymes. This proline acts as an effector scavenger of hydroxyl radicals and also prevent this, which result to decrease the MDA levels. We also found that this biostimulant effect on photosynthesis, gas exchange parameter. The red line is your seaweed, and the blue line is the control. While we applied the seaweed-based biostimulant, photosynthesis rate is increased. Similarly, punching protons, electron transport rate, water use efficiency, although photosynthesis parameter was increased applying through seaweed-based biostimulants. We also check the nutrient uptake after applied biostimulants uh, in different maize parts like seeds, stems, and leaves. We found that the nitrogen content was increased in drought condition while applied with the seeds. Uh, Means how it is the possible to uptake the nitrogen? Significant improvements. So as per the transcriptomic analysis, while we applied the seaweed-based biostimulants, the nitrate reductase activity is significantly is as per the transcriptomics is significantly increased, and to enhance the nitrate transport to nitrate reductase activity is a late limiting step of the protein metabolisms. As per the report, we also found that while applied the seaweed-based biostimulant to increase the soil bacterial community. This is the biostimulant mode of action. While we applied the biostimulant to resilience the stress like abiotic stress, we also, as it is biostimulant, provide the nutrition, then beneficial for microbe nutrition. They also present in hormones and other active ingredients. As per the report, biostimulant have increased the germination, flowering, rooting, then pest control and plant defense activities. This impact of our products like Sagarika biostimulant crop in yield and growth. In yield, 30 to 37% over recommendation in various crops like a cereal increase the tiller per plant, pulses and oilseed more pod per plants, legumes enhance the root nodule formation, in sugarcane improve the germination and tillering, as well as starch content increase, then reduce the chemical fertilizer up to 25%, enhance while applied the seaweed-based biostimulant to enhance the nutrient uptake from the soils, increase the photosynthetic rate to tolerance the drought and other stresses. We also shown this the increase the root growth and low carbon footprint and high soil enzymatic activity and eco-friendly productivities. This is the joint award with CSM CRI by our government of India in Science and Technology Rural Development Award on seaweed cultivation, red seaweed, Copaficus alvarezi, and co-production of bionutrients and carrageenan from fresh seaweeds. This is the inauguration of launch with our Sagarika products in along with the Honorable Prime Minister. This is our range of products we are selling. We are producing like a Sagarika Gold, Sagarika Granules, Humifco, like a humic acid-based liquid, Humico powder, similar like a nourishment, all-rounder, unique formulated microbial constia, bacterial and fungicide products. This, this is the microbial products. We also produce the powder, like a seaweed-based powder. Ecoagri also like these urban garden products like Flora Diet, also available on commercial markets. One of the yesterday mentioned Dr. Rup sir, he has also developed the technology on seaweed used for animal feeds. So this technology also brought by Ecoagri, and we have also trying to coming next to produce the feed additives for animal feeds. Equagri also doing the making a kerosene and using by seaweeds. This kerosene and used for the dairy, meats, beverage, pet foods, and other pharmaceutical companies. This is the opportunity and challenges. We have scalping the seaweed cultivation and meat growing demand, developing and efficient harvesting and processing technology, and regulatory legal framework of sustainable ocean use, promoting the consumer awareness and accepting seaweed-based products. Thank you.